In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in to Rocket Money. This platform is designed to help you track subscriptions, manage your spending, and get a better grip on your finances. Let's dive right in and guide you step by step through the login process. First, open up your preferred web browser and head over to a search engine like Google. In the search bar, type Rocket Money. This is the quickest way to access their official website if you're unsure of the direct URL or simply want a surefire way to check you're on the correct site. Once the search results come up, look for the official Rocket Money link. It should be titled something along the lines of Rocket Money, Find and Cancel Subscriptions, Track Your Spending. Click on this link to enter the Rocket Money website. If you don't have a Rocket Money account yet, this is where you'd typically click on Sign Up to create a new account. However, if you already have an account, there's an option on the homepage that usually says, Already have a Rocket Money account? Log in. Click on this link to proceed to the login page. Now you'll be taken to the login screen. Here, enter your registered email address in the designated field. Be sure to double check for any typos, as an incorrect email will prevent you from logging in successfully. After entering your email, move on to the password field. Carefully type your password, paying attention to any uppercase letters or special characters, as passwords are case sensitive. It's easy to make a mistake here, so taking an extra moment to ensure everything is correct can save you a bit of hassle. Once both your email and password have been entered correctly, look for the Sign In button and give that a click. If everything was input correctly, you should be successfully logged into your Rocket Money account. You can now explore all the features that Rocket Money has to offer, like managing subscriptions, tracking expenses, and setting budget goals. A final quick tip: if you happen to forget your password, most platforms, including Rocket Money, will have a Forgot Password link on the login page. Clicking this will guide you through a process to recover or reset your password, ensuring you can regain access to your account as swiftly as possible. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to logging into Rocket Money. With this information, you're set to navigate your account and manage your finances more efficiently. Thanks for watching, and happy budgeting!